start. All in one.
And then I have script to say, okay?
And I see how I look.
Wait first. Okay, is it fine?
Just sit like this, straight, or a little to the side. Sorry, do I look at the camera?
My name is Ayham. I am majoring in information technology, software engineering, and I am the president of the Student Council 2023.
My name is Chitaporn Chiravisat. I'm studying CMD major, which is Creative Media Design, and I'm in the assistant of social media.
My name is Abdul Wai, known as Abdul. I am software engineering student at IT Majors. My position at Student Council 2023 is assistant for internationality and creativity.
My name is Supakit Wang, and I'm from IT major, and my position in Student Council is the Communication and Secretary Assistant.
My name is Namason Kitirengla. I am a student of International Business Management. I am Vice President of Club and Activities.
So my name is Usaham. I'm an international relations student and I'm a vice president of Student Council Academic Affairs.
My name is Anuj Thapa. I am a major in international business management, and I'm the vice president of internationality and external relations.
Hi, my name is Isra Pankochapong. My major is international relations and my position in student council is vice president of communication and marketing.
My experience in the Student Council, I would say that I've learned a lot of new skills, a lot of communication skills, leadership skills, how to run a team and how to manage the team. Of course, you will run into a lot of things in the Student Council, a lot of new skills, leadership skills, communication skills. You will of course develop yourself and your public speaking, especially as being the president of the Student Council, where you have to do a lot of that. You will work with a good team members where you will have to be collaborative, and of course you will face some issues, but you will learn how to deal with these specific issues, which will of course set you up to have a great future ahead.
Since I've been part of the Student Council for 2 terms, I have learned a lot of lessons and teaching me how to work as a team, how to manage my emotion, and how to separate our duty in our team. Even though we might have some arguments, but we can get through with it.
Well, to answer this question, I would like to say that I have been achieved many skills that I haven't chance to achieve before, such as leadership and management and teamwork.
I learned a lot. I learned how to work as a team, collaborate, and be punctual, be consistent, communicate more, clear out misunderstandings and all that.
Throughout this journey of being student council, I've learned to work as a team, problem solving, learn how to cooperate and deal with the issue. It's either with the person, with the outsider, or even the problem in yourself.
So I've learned a lot from Student Council. The first one is definitely to work as a team, because we are people from different cultures, different country backgrounds, and even the way that we view things. However, I learned how to cope with all differences and how to work as a team, as well as to make the tight deadline while managing my assignments and schoolwork.
Being a part of the Student Council, I genuinely believe I have learned a lot of essential skills, mainly being interpersonal skills. I feel like I have developed a lot of communication skills, how to communicate with my team members, how to manage my time, how to become more empathetic, how to be more kind, how to be more patient. Apart from that, I've also learned how to manage conflicts because there have been a few times in our Student Council where we have had faced some challenges where we had to keep our egos aside, keep our angers aside, and then come up with solutions so that everything runs smoothly, which also I've learned throughout this time. Overall, my time at Student Council has been a great learning experience, and I wouldn't trade anything for this wonderful opportunity.
I think the core necessity of being in a student council is patience and teamwork.
Oh my god, you put me on the spot. I think my favorite memory in the Student Council is that I don't really have a specific memory, but us as a team, we worked really hard to do great events, and as we did that and as we went on, we became really good friends with each other at some point, and we all were hanging out with each other outside of the work area, and I think that's my favorite memory of the team.
My favorite memory, I think it's the working trip that we go to talk about the sport day before we gonna start sport day. It's best memory. We have a little trip, go to the beach and have some fun, have some meet together, and have some changing experience together. Yeah, and I can know. I feel like I'm closing with them more than before I gonna enter in SET.
My favorite memories when we all work together at graduation day 2023 last year.
Okay, let me think about it. Can you oh shit. My favorite memories is when every single time we get to hang out, we get to do meetings. I actually enjoy it, and because that's the only time we get to really see each other because we're all busy with our life, and get to talk, get to play, get to hang out, get to laugh, get to eat out after. Those are all favorite memories. Every single time we have done that, it makes me happy, and I look forward to doing it every single time. And yeah, that's really pretty much it. I really like that. I'm a very simple person, yeah.
The favorite memory I have with student council would be every time we have a meeting. It might be a little bit weird that I like meeting with them, but every time we have a meeting, it's a flow of ideas that go through on and on. The idea to start with a very, very small thing, and it suddenly became very large, and we have really much fun talking together in the meeting.
Favorite memory, maybe when we went to Korea together, we had so much fun, and then we also hang out together outside the school as well.
I have had a lot of good memories, but a few of them would definitely be the times that we have spent outside of our student council. Since we're a great group of friends, we often hung out outside of our university as well. And the time we spent outside, going to dinners and hanging out in our place was definitely a fun time we had. Apart from that, if I had to talk about the student council activities, I would say our field trips have been very memorable to me. One of the field trips that we did at Ayutthaya was one of my favorite ones, where I enjoyed a lot with my teammates.
My favorite memory was the field trip that we went to Ayutthaya, and there was a little cafe next to the old temples, and we were just all sitting there laughing and looking at Komodo dragon in the water.
I want to say thank you to all of them, and I wish them all the best in the future, and I hope maybe someday that we can reunite together and we can look back at this whole experience and be proud of what we achieved and what we tried to do for the university.
I want to say that being with Day is such a good experience for me. We know each other, and I want to thank you for them to teaching me how to grow up, and they're such a good advisor for me every time. But then when I have some problem of myself, they always give advice and try to figure it out for me.
I would like to say thank you for pure memory that you give to me, and I cannot forget everyone that worked with me or had a chance to collaborate with me. Thank a chance for support me to achieve this kind of achievement.
I love them a lot. I'm really grateful that I get to join the team. It's been a wonderful 1 year, and if we could do it again, I would definitely do it. And yeah, thank you for being kind to me and working with me and accept who I am.
I would say I hope you guys have a really great life after this. I don't know if we're gonna meet each other again or not, but I just hope you the best.
So thank you guys for being such a team, like a good team member, and always work together, deal with different situations, challenges together, as well as always respect each other. Student Council has taught me a lot of things. We made a good memory together. We went through a lot of challenges together, as well as achieving a lot of successes together. Managed to create event and managed to organize successful events together. So thank you Student Council, thank you committee, as well as thank you all the team members, the engagement, and other people as well.
There's so much I can tell to my fellow teammates, but a few things that I would like to say is thank you very much guys for always pushing me. Thank you so much for being so nice. Thank you for showing me the kindness and the love that you have. I would like to wish you guys all the best for all of your future endeavors. I know you all are capable of doing so much in this life. I just wish we can stay connected till the end of time, and just good luck with everything that you do.
This one. I love you guys. We had such great memories together, and it's been a fun year long. I'm really grateful for you all.
I want to say thank you.
Thank you for them.
Thank you. Thank you for
Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much, guys.
Love you.